guys, I'm back with another YouTube video, and this video is especially for the boys. Yes, you heard it right, this is for the boys. I got a few DMs in my Instagram about my hairstyle, so yes, this video is gonna be all about my hairstyle. I'm gonna share you my tutorial of the hairstyle which I'm having today, and next is I'm gonna share the product as well which I'm using to do my hairdo. So without any wasting time, let's just dive into the video. Guys, this is the actual texture of my hair, and the very first product which I'm gonna use in this tutorial is gonna be my voluminizer. And voluminizer is very important for me because it's gonna give an extra bounce to my hair, and my hair is gonna look 2 times more volumizing. And the voluminizer which I'm gonna use is this one. This is from Big Sexy Hair. I'm gonna talk about the usage of this one. Your hair should be bit wet, and after that you have to apply all over your head from roots to the end. After that, I'm gonna use this heat protector. Heat protector is very important because I'm gonna use a straightener and it's gonna damage a lot to my hair, so that's why heat protector is very important. Heat protector which I'm using is from Indola, one of the nicest heat protector which I am having in my hair set kit. So I'm gonna spray it like 4 or 5 times all over my head, especially at the beginning because I'm gonna straighten my hair from there. So yes, so I have to wait for like 10 seconds I guess, and now I'm gonna comb my hair with this kind of comb, the normal which you have in your house, and I'm gonna do a back combing like that. And after that, the important part is your hair dryer, and after that a very important step, that is a blow dryer. And I'm gonna use medium heat and the speed is gonna be full, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna use this kind of hair comb. You can choose anything which you are comfortable with, and now I'm gonna do it. So yes guys, as you can see, I'm done with my blow dryer, and now I'm gonna straighten my hair. And I am gonna only straighten my hair from the front side because as you can see my front side is a bit frizzy, so I want to keep it bit straight. I will suggest not to do straightening because it's damaged a bit, but it's totally up to you. If you want to, you can, but I need this on the front side, that's why I'm only doing on the front side. So yes, I use straightener as well, and for the straightener I'm gonna use this type of comb which I used earlier, and I'm gonna take this section and I'm gonna give it a comb again, and the rest of the hair I'm gonna comb back again. And yes, now I'm gonna take my straightener, and not from the roots, I'm gonna from the mid part, and I'm gonna do it in the backward. As you can see, I'm doing it backward like that. Okay, yes, I'm done with my hair straightening, and now I have to set my hair, and for that I'm going to use a hairspray. I have 2 hairspray options that is going to be my absolute favorite, to be very honest. The first one is this one, Indola 4+4. This is absolutely amazing product, to be very honest. I just love the hold of this one. This has a like absolute 1-day hold. The second one is Shoskoff Got To Be hairspray. I know this is very famous, like more of the wig artists use this one, and this is absolutely amazing as well, but I prefer this one because this has a bit stickiness and this has a bit hardness, so I personally like this one, but the hold of both of them is like absolutely amazing. You can use any of them, whichever is available for you. And now I'm going to use this spray in Indola, as I said. So yes, I'm done with my hairdo, as you can see. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you like it, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet. I'm gonna coming up with a very amazing video really soon, and thank you so much for showing the love and support on my YouTube channel as well. I am so glad. We're gonna meet in our next video really soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, and you can comment down below as well which video you want next from me, so I will be prepared preparing all of those for you guys. Thank you so much.